and your toothbrush. You know, you better come back. I need to use that later. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt. These are your 5 tips to making sure that your toothbrush is always clean.
Let's get started.
So your toothbrush contains a lot of different things. I mean, you brush your teeth every single day. Okay, so how many of you at home right now are properly cleaning your teeth and your toothbrush? You know, you better come back. This is exactly the reason why we're doing this. So in order for you to stay healthy during these days and every single day for the rest of your life, you want to make sure you follow these easy steps. Step number 1, after you finish cleaning your teeth, every single time, you want to go through the process of cleaning your toothbrush. So you want to run it in hot water. After you clean it and brush it off for a little bit, make sure you get all that stuff out. You want to put it inside a cup with hot water and probably leave it in there for about 5 minutes or so. It just makes sure that it's cleaning it out properly. So, number 2. I know you use this to clean up a lot of things around the house, including windows and glass and all that stuff.
I use it for cooking and sometimes in my salad.
But it's also a very good way to clean your toothbrush.
What are we talking about today?
We're talking about vinegar. So what you want to do is add a little bit of warm water to the container, and you also want to add a little bit of vinegar inside, and then you follow the same steps. While you're getting ready to go to work, you simply put this in there, leave it in there for about 5 minutes, rinse it after in warm water, and you're good to go.
And your salads will be even tastier.
They certainly will. For step number 3. So we use an item that is very easy to get around the house, baking soda. So all you need to do is add just a tiny little bit. Once again, a little bit of warm water. You want to make sure it dissolves. Once it has been dissolved by the power of TV, blah, 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 we leave it in there,
the toothbrush for
about 5 minutes. The same time that it's taking you to get ready, you know, finish up your hair, do whatever it is you need to do. But please make sure that you do this every single time. I need to use that later. Ready for step number 4.
All right, so sometimes you may not have vinegar in your house. You might not have baking soda, but what else can you use?
Well, right now, this item is also a hot ticket in the market, is rubbing alcohol. Okay, so you want to make sure, once again, the basis for all of this is you want to put a little bit of water inside, and then you want to put in a little bit of rubbing alcohol in it. It's just a tiny bit to kind of kill some of the bacteria. So once you've done that, you leave it in there for how minutes, you know?
5 minutes.
Once you take it out, brush it off, run it on the cool water or warm water, okay? If you even want to, I know that's why you only put a little bit inside. If you even want to, you can also have one of these regularly filled with warm water, and then just put it in there every time you brush your teeth. So after all of this, are you ready for step number 5? So step number 5 is my favorite, is the one that my grandmother used to do for us every single time, and that is to use peroxide.
Peroxide?
My grandmother knew that every time you get a cold or something like that, this is a great way for you to eliminate the fact that the cold may last a week. So according to Wikipedia, you have anywhere between 500 and 1,000 different viruses and things in your mouth at any given point.
All right, so how do we do this? Is it the same process as the other ones?
It's the same process, but because I want to show you the power of peroxide, we're going to zoom in for this one. We're going to fill it all the way to the top with peroxide. Now, peroxide is the only one we're not mixing with water. It is because it's actually safe for you to put in your mouth. The minute you put it inside, you'll notice that all those little bubbles, see those little bubbles inside? That's the bacteria that is actually killing from this. Now, you may not see this much on mine. That's because I clean it every single day, folks. Every time I finish brushing my teeth, I just do this, clean it out, and it's ready to go.
Okay. All right, guys, so that was our 5 tips on how to clean your toothbrush. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and
subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of these amazing videos.
Stay healthy, stay clean,
stay safe.
We'll see you on the next one.
Team Kilowatt!